Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Walker Performance. Today we're going to rescue this 88 Silverado that's been sitting for about 4 years. So the plan is get it on the trailer, get it home and cleaned up, and see what kind of issues it's got. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we're starting off here with just water. Didn't soak this truck. It really wasn't that dirty. Mostly just dust and just cobwebs and stuff from sitting. But Tim and I, my neighbor here, he's the one that knows of the truck or found the truck. So we're just washing it with some water, getting the dirt and the dust and cobwebs off of it. You can probably see the tank straps hanging here in the video. We've already removed the fuel tank and determined it needed a fuel pump. So I just figured while we got some downtime waiting on parts, we'd go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and see what we got to work with. The truck is not currently for sale, but we are getting it back on the road for the owner. If it is for sale, I'll definitely let you guys know. As of right now, she's not wanting to do anything with it, but just get it back on the road. But I said, why not? I'd be glad to help any way that I could. So here's the rest of the video, just cleaning it up. We'll do a little walk around here in just a few minutes. This is only with water. No suds or anything yet. No hand wash. Got an aftermarket rear bumper on it. I think she's gonna clean up good.